investments in safety lights, so we tried to use a flashlight as a guide. And now I'm standing in an overcrowded train, picturing the times we had as children while the rain is pouring down the windows and the people push their way. I've seen better days. Take me back to my hometown, take me back to my loved ones. We were kids, now we're all grown. Back in my hometown, take me back to my hometown, back to my loved ones. Back to my hometown, back to my we would sing and watch the campfire glow, telling stories as the sunset approached. Felt like we were better off on our own. Now I wish that we would never have grown. And now I'm standing in an overcrowded train, picturing the times we had as children while the rain is pouring down the windows and the people push the way. I've seen better days, I've seen better days. Take me back to my hometown, take me back to my loved ones. We were kids, now we're all grown. Back in my hometown. Take me back to my hometown, back to my loved ones. Back to my
I've never dealt with this before. I've never been one to lock the door. Always chasing something more, even if it leads to damage that you can't restore. I looked up to you, I broke down crying, not enough for you. 3 years down the drain when you came to me to say that I want you for your body, then I'll be out on my way. You broke my heart, you made this bittersweet. Look what you did to her, look what you done to me. Try to blame it on my youth, 'cause it's better than the truth. I'm so sick of love, I'm so sick of love. Every time there's someone feeling me down, so what's the use? I'm so sick of love, I'm so listen for real this time. I ain't just a pretty face, yeah, I could blow your mind. Why is everyone expecting me to waste my time? Listen, for real this time. I'm not about to watch you cross another line. I made it this far, just me, myself, and I. You broke my heart, you made this bittersweet. Look what you did to her, look what you done to me.